Whoever said that it don't snow down south, why do they teeth? It's chilly. This is my parking lot to my job. Oh, walk out in the snow. You see me, myself, G-Rod sitting right there, getting snowed on, even though I just got it clean a few days ago. Whew. You know, I probably should have put a coat on before I walked out, huh? Yeah. I guess the good thing about it is that a lot of the snow is actually melting by itself. Bad thing is that if it gets cold, it's going to turn into ice, and I'm having a parking lot full of ice. That's not going to be good. Alright, well, just wanted to share the snow with you guys. Hope y'all have a good one. Be blessed.